Well, hi everyone. You won't want to miss this Mother's Day special here at CesInteriors. Welcome. I would like to share with you how a week goes by for an empty nester designer, and it's perfect timing that this is actually Mother's Day week. For me, at least, it's still Mother's Day week. It's not just the weekend, it's the whole week, mind you. Most of you would know by now that I am a night owl. I sleep around 1, 2, 3, depending on the K drama that I'm watching, or whenever I'm editing something I'm working. It all depends, but I am a night owl, so I wake up a little bit later than most of you who work as early as 8 a.m. I wake up around 9, so that gives me 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 hours, 7 hours of sleep. A non negotiable would be making the bed. And then I head straight to the bathroom, freshen up, wash my face just with water, and then I start with my skincare. And another non-negotiable is sunscreen. So kids, don't forget your sunscreen every single day. And as soon as I'm done with my morning skincare routine, I go back to the bedroom, open the curtains if I haven't already, and then go to the living room, turn on my lights, even if it's bright outside. And I love this Amazon Find task lamp. I'm going to link it down below if you're interested. Morning coffee, another non-negotiable. And since it's spring, the weather's getting warmer here in New England. Finally, I enjoy my coffee in the living room, or I would open the balcony door and go outside. After that, I would dust off, fix the pillows, tidy up a little bit, and then check the other bedroom, open the window curtains if I'm going to work there. It all depends on my current mood, where I want to work. Lately, I've been going back to my bedroom just because this bed is so comfortable. And I can't get enough of this view. It's just so relaxing in my bedroom. This is from my sister, this Crate and Barrel sham cover, and I'm just opening it. She gave it to me when we were in Manila. And then around after lunch, around 1, well, your lunchtime, not mine, because I do intermittent fasting. I eat around 4. What I do is I tackle some chores, clean up, dust, whatever I need to do to make our home look nicer, feel fresher. And I don't do everything in one day. I usually do my laundry on Fridays or Saturdays. I clean the bathroom around midweek. So I try to schedule the heavier chores one day at a time. And if you're in my age, your back and your knees will thank you for doing that. Cooking is actually Mr. M's responsibility, so to speak. He loves to cook anyway, but sometimes I do cook. And if I do, I have my first meal of the day first at 4 p.m. and then I start prepping for dinner. After dinner, it's either we have coffee or I have tea. Then I go back to work and finish up on my task for the day. Mother's Day came one day early because my daughter Sam brought me these beautiful, freshly picked tulips from a farm somewhere in Massachusetts where she went with her friends. I love them. I so love them. They're beautiful. And I love her choice of colors as well. She said there were yellows, but she didn't like them.
Yeah, I like the darker ones.
Yeah.
They have like yellow.
That's so
like
pretty.
really
This one.
I like them dark.
An account, you mean? I just ordered one today.
Because we have the one that takes the bigger pods down.
Oh, the newer one, the Virtual.
It's not.
Who got it?
I think Emily got it for like Christmas.
They have
But I've been using it.
a promo right now. So you get free mugs or you get the cookies. Depends on how many you're getting. That's what I always do because I get freebies. That night we tried to catch the Aurora, but she wouldn't show up. Unfortunately, I even tried looking out my window. And then this happened. This silly Chino came on Mother's Day morning with these candles, one for me and one for Dad because Dad's birthday is in a few days. And then we are off to our late lunch Mother's Day celebration.
Yeah, one extra. That's really good. But usually people prefer the standard, so
Yeah.
I think it's better.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. We went to Porto in Prudential Building. Had to make reservations. The food was really good. I give it a thumbs up. Right after our sumptuous lunch at Porto with a Mamellini to boot, we went around Prudential Mall, did some shopping. Samantha went to Nespresso. We stopped by Italy to get everyone's favorite tiramisu and panna cotta. And that's our Mother's Day. Dropped off the kids to their respective apartments. And just like that, we are back to our empty nester lifestyle. And then Mr. M and I decided to buy more stuff at Stop and Shop. And voila, there is a new bonchon right beside the Stop and Shop in Quincy. So there goes our dinner. And this is me, just my OOTD outfit of the day. Now let's go back to your regular programming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share with your friends and family if you like this video, and if you like more of these contents, I'll greatly appreciate it. After grocery, of course, clean up all those fruits. Make sure that you really wash them well. We don't want those pesticides or whatever they spray them with in our bodies, right? Arranging these fruits in a bowl, like this matte black one from Crate and Barrel. It's so pretty. It's like a flower arrangement. If you don't have flowers, use your fruits to decorate your table, your countertop. Let me tell you about this KRAUS multipurpose over the sink roll-up dish drying rack. It also works as a colander or a trivet. It's so useful. I'm telling you. And it's from Amazon. So I'm linking it down below as well for you guys. If you're interested, do check out my links. And yes, I load up on vitamin C, vitamin D. And these fruits, of course, they are loaded with vitamins and minerals.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inside.
And that's how my week goes. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until the next one, my name is Ces. Love and light to all. Bye.